Stephanie, now the state health department's hiring a new leader. Lawmakers questioned the man tapped to lead DHEC for hours today. Our Jason Raven was there and tells us what to expect next.
Senators asked Dr. Edward Simmer about his thoughts on the vaccine rollout here in South Carolina and if there was anything he would have done differently.
Raise your right hand.
DHEC hasn't had a permanent director since last June, but that could change very soon.
I do.
The Senate Medical Affairs Committee asked Dr. Simmer his thoughts on the state's work in the fight against COVID-19 and the vaccine rollout. They asked the candidate nominated by DHEC's board about any changes he would have made. A new statewide appointment scheduling system is expected to go live in the coming days.
I think one thing I would have done was try to develop that sooner, ensure that we had an effective way for people to make appointments as quickly as possible.
Dr. Simmer says he would also like to make sure information coming from the state agency is clear, easy to understand, and accessible.
I think looking at the communication processes between DHEC and the hospitals, and then also the public, of course, is another area I would certainly want to focus on in terms of the vaccine rollout.
He says some of his other priorities include getting the vaccine out to South Carolinians as quickly and fairly as possible. He also hinted at maybe changing the way South Carolina is currently allocating the vaccines. Right now, it's based on population.
I do think it makes sense to use a model that considers risk and considers the number of people actually living in the county who are in whatever category is eligible for the vaccine at that time as we make those decisions.
Committee Chairman Senator VERDIN of Lawrence County says having a permanent director at DHEC in the midst of the pandemic will be a good thing.
The confidence to know that the team is under a steady hand is going to accentuate the delivery of service to our people, and I really believe that we're getting ready to see our best days in response to the pandemic immediately before us.
The Senate Medical Affairs Committee voted unanimously to give Simmer's nomination a favorable report. Senators we spoke with say they expect a vote on the floor as soon as Thursday. From the State House, Jason Raven, 7 News.
DHEC's former director, Rick Toomey, stepped down in June.